I probably talked about these guys before, RollingSquare. They always come out with these really neat little cables and little gizmos and gadgets for like your phone and things like that. Well, they reached out to me and it was like, hey, we got some new stuff that is out on the market and we haven't sent you anything in a while, so we're going to send you a couple things. And I was like, okay, let's do that then, shall we? First is this little tiny box. Look at this. It's little. InCharge X. Now, I have had a bunch of the InCharge cables, and they usually have all these different ends on them. So really you can carry around one cable and charge or connect or whatever you need. Just about any device. A micro USB or USB-C or standard USB or lightning, etc., etc. And this kind of looks to be the same, sort of. Small. I have one of the original InCharge cables that was sort of like this attached to my keychain. I'm not really sure what the InCharge X is, but we'll find out here. The ultra-fast Swiss Army knife of cables. 41 bucks, 4.5 stars. InCharge X has 6 different charging combinations that can virtually charge any device from any power source. It allows data transfer and ultra-fast charging up to 100 watts. This is an Apple's fast charger up to 18 watts, and that's really an Apple limitation. Now, what's cool about this, and I think this is the big difference from the previous just InCharge, was that this actually can do 100 watts for charging, because normally they couldn't do that. And really, it's been just like modern day cables that have allowed us to kind of get up to that speed. That's kind of nice. My guess is this is going to look very similar to the previous InCharge cables. Probably replace my existing one on my keychain. This will be the new one, blue. Oh, it comes in colors. So you got lava black, sapphire blue, or marble beige. I have this. What was I have? Sapphire blue. Oh, I like that. Yes, that's nice. And it's got like a little cap. So the nice thing about having the cap before, so previous, if I'm correct, does this cap come off? Do you just yank it? Yeah, so you just kind of yank it off. Previous to this kind of cap thing that they have on this right now, was it didn't have a cap. So just like this one doesn't have, I don't think it had a cap. Yeah, these folded kind of in. Now the bonus of this is it's magnetic like the previous one was, but normally I'd have it on my keychain and it was the magnets that kept it close. Thing is, and a lot of people may have had this concern, what happens if for whatever reason the magnets break apart and then this just falls off? And I would be like, sure, that's a valid concern. But now we have this. It's just basically a little cap for your USB. And you just kind of slide that on there. It's nice and snug. Then when you have that on your keychain or whatever, well, it can't separate, right? The magnets are going to keep it closed. That's going to be there. Well, like that. All right, my doorbell's ringing. Hold on. Always someone coming to the door to sell you something. This is it here. And I'm just trying to see, because they say it's a 6-in-1. On this keychain, we have USB-A. So then we can go USB-A to Lightning. So 1, USB-A to USB-C, that is 2. And then, see the Lightning? The Lightning actually has micro USB in it. See that? So USB-A to Lightning, USB-C, and micro USB. Or you can go USB-C to all of those. So there's your 6. You know what? I really like these. And as far as I could tell, I have a charger here. We'll just see if it charges okay. So I'm going to go USB-C to USB-C. I'm going to have to bring my computer closer just to make sure this works. I think that's in there. I'll just kind of pop that up like so. In. You guys, I don't know if you guys can even see this. It is already charged, but I got the ding. My guess is I would be charging. I got the ding. I heard the ding, right? You guys, maybe, can you hear the ding? I'll take it out. Put it back in. Ding. Charging. It's good, right? What more do you want? Super small. And even if you don't want to put it on your keychain, just have it. Just have it in your bag. Have it just something that you can just carry around with you. And it's sexy, right? That's probably even more important. Sexy. All right, guys, this is the RollingSquare InCharge X 6-in-1 universal key ring with a 100-watt cable. 100 watt. Of course, your device has to support 100 watt, and you have to have a power brick that pushes out 100 watt, but it'll do 100 watt. Links down below if you guys are interested, and that's it. Another RollingSquare device tomorrow. Stay tuned.